We are back from vacation. We did such a good job before we went on vacation was to clear out our fridge. And then my son helped make sure we ate everything that we still had left. And now it was ready to go to Aldi and do an Aldi haul and fill these shelves back up and have food for the week. So I just got back from Aldi. Here is our Aldi haul, and I also went to Dollar Tree because it is back to school season, and back to school means I usually make baskets for the kids. So I'm going to go through everything, then we'll get into the menu board, share what we're going to make this week, and then I'll also give you all the highlights of the baskets and then show you, I might not be able to show you the final product on this video because I won't maybe have them done in time, but you'll see all the elements of what I'm going to be putting in there. So here it is. Here's the full Aldi haul. Let's go through everything, then the menu, and then what we're doing for the baskets. Okay, here we go. Produce over here, 2 heads of lettuce. We're going to be making lots of salads. We love our heads of broccoli, our broccoli crowns. Southwest chopped salad kit, make a salad easy. Classic coleslaw to make some hash, you know, like with ground beef or ground turkey or chicken, and then some spinach. Then we have a thing of onions. We also have a fresh cucumber. I love our avocados, so I got a bundle plus 2, so 6 avocados. A ready-made Santa Fe salad, just to have something real quick, easy for lunch. Green onions, cilantro, 2 things of mushrooms, white and the baby bellas. Got some of the little cherry tomatoes, and then lots of cheese. We had to stock up on our cheese. I got some shredded Colby Jack, my whipped cream cheese for the morning, mozzarella cheese balls, and it's in oil and herbs. And then I did get some crumbled blue cheese because I'm gonna make some burgers, blue cheese burgers. I got some Parmesan cheese, and then I picked this up. I thought this would be great in some of our bowls, some garlic feta dip. It just sounded really good. And then another thing, a block of cream cheese, and then our extra sharp cheddar cheese, which I shred up to put on all sorts of things, salads and whatnot. I got some fresh raspberries here, and then I got 2 types of the chicken sausage. Here's the Never Any, and this is tomato and basil. And then I got these chicken cheddar bratwurst. Sounded so good, organic. Those are gonna be great on the grill or in a sheet pan meal with lots of veggies. That just sounds really good. I did get, as my splurge item, shrimp and avocado roll. I will be honest, they're not as good as getting them in the store or in a restaurant, but they do in a fix. Okay, more cheese over here. Swiss cheese slices. That's gonna go great with our blue cheese turkey burgers that I'm gonna make, or are they chicken burgers? Anyway, they're chicken or turkey patties. They're in the freezer, and I'm gonna make that with blue cheese and Swiss cheese. Got some honey ham slices. In the freezer section, I did pick up the sweet sesame ginger chicken skillet, so a ready-made meal. And then I got these steamed pork, if you could read that there, steamed pork soup dumplings, Asian-inspired juicy dumplings filled with pork and vegetables. Those sounded really good. Needed more buffalo sauce. I got 2 brands here. I got the medium buffalo wing sauce, the Berman's brand, and then I got Buffalo Wild Wings. They're medium, so 2 of those. I did get some whole milk Greek yogurt. We need more half and half, and then 2 containers of cottage cheese. Lots of high protein bowls for that. Okay, we did get a thin crust pizza, Korean style bulgogi pizza. Never heard of this one. Ultra thin crust topped with a Korean bulgogi inspired sauce, beef crumbles, and it has whole milk mozzarella, sliced cremini mushrooms, broccoli, and julienne roasted red onions. That just looks and sounds so good. Okay, our proteins. We got a big package, family pack of the chicken thighs. I love roasting these with vegetables. So good as a sheet pan meal. This is skin on, bone in. But then I went and got chicken thighs, skin off, boneless, to make sure we have some other variety just to have. Love those. Got some ground chicken for my husband's hash, and I got this huge package of fresh ground turkey. Thought that would be great for our hash and our different things. Maybe make some turkey burgers or some turkey meatballs. So, but speaking of burgers, I also picked up these. These are the Steakhouse seasoned tavern beef patties. There's 4 to a package. That's perfect, easy to throw on the grill. Then we get some bread products. I did get some whole wheat, flax, and oat bran. These are pita breads, and they're high in fiber, low in calories. I thought they'd be great to make. And with this, the ground turkey, I was thinking like some kind of shawarma or some kind of thing to bake and put in these pita breads. And then I got these pretzel hamburger rolls. I got these for either these burgers or the turkey burgers with the blue cheese and the Swiss cheese. And then I got a everything bagel seasoning sourdough bread. Okay, and then more eggs. So that is everything we got from Aldi. I'll put the total up here on the screen. A smidge over budget, but not bad for a week after vacation and needing to stock everything back up. Did really, really well. All right, now let's talk about all the things I got from Dollar Tree, starting with just pantry staples. I got some garlic salt, I got some brown gravy mix, and I got some paper plates, 2 styles. Now we're gonna talk about all the things for the baskets, and here's the baskets I picked up. I picked up this one for $3. It's a woven basket. I think it's so cool with the little handles. And then this one here is a wider one, so it's a little bigger, so it is $5. And it's gonna be perfect for all these goodies. So we've got everything high protein. We got some pistachio packs. We've got some of the pork rinds. We've got some gum and Mentos and beef jerky packs. And we've got some seasoned smoked sausage sticks and chicken bites. And we have some hot sauce popcorn. And then we got some fun things. We got these. I don't even know what they are, but they're fun to play with, including this fun thing. And then also check this out for $1.25. I thought it was great to throw in voice controlled tabletop light. I thought it was so cute. $1.25, even if it doesn't work, it's a good idea. Got these little notepads. This one says enjoy every moment. It's really cute. And then I got another notepad. Just needed some batteries. And then I think Aldi is a great place to pick up gift cards. We got some different ones from Sonic and Starbucks and Panera and different things. And so lots of little things that are gonna be so great. And then I picked up this for me. This is just it says a stackable organizing drawer. I'm thinking for scrapbooking supplies, that's gonna be so perfect to see if it's gonna work in my scrapbooking room, but I absolutely love those. So that's everything. That is our haul and everything we got from Dollar Tree and Aldi, which is so convenient for us. They're right next to each other, almost a little bit too tempting. But I got everything I needed, wanted, and I'm gonna now share with you the board and everything we're planning to have for the meals this week. Okay, here is our whiteboard. Here is our plan, our menu for the week. I am making those buffalo blue cheese chicken burgers, the frozen patties, serving those on the pretzel buns and serving them up with jalapeno poppers. My son makes the best jalapeno poppers. We have fresh jalapenos from our garden. He wraps them in bacon, stuffs them with cream cheese. They're amazing. We're gonna have those hamburgers that are already pre-made, throw those on the grill. Another night is chicken thighs, maybe like a smoky protein bowl, and serve those with green peppers, also from the garden, and some onions. Saute that up with those chicken thighs. Have the turkey shawarma with the ground turkey, put those in the pitas with the feta dip, and then a trifle salad or some type of salad with all of that lettuce, the 2 heads of lettuce and all the fresh produce. And then maybe another night grilled barbecue chicken, maybe with those chicken thighs. And then for meal prep, we have quinoa I want to whip up for, protein bowls and for lunches. And then I'm thinking chicken 3 ways, trying to determine which way is best in the cast iron skillet, in the air fryer, or in the Instant Pot or crock pot. So we're going to try chicken a couple of ways this week. And then also roasting some vegetables. We've got broccoli and chickpeas and green peppers, mushrooms, onions, and whole cloves of garlic. Lots of great food are coming our way this week. Looking forward to another great week. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to see future videos. I will see you on the next one.